have some big breaking news coming in. The Legislative Party meeting has now been moved to 7:30 p.m. It was earlier scheduled at 5 p.m. where all the BJP legislators will be in a huddle. They will, of course, be deciding and maybe even announcing the chief ministerial name for Karnataka. The meeting, which was held at 5 p.m. earlier, will now be moved to 7:30 p.m. and this will be held at the Capitol Hotel. Remember, you have central observers like Dharmendra Pradhan and G. Kishan Reddy currently who have confirmed to be coming into Bengaluru. They will be attending this meeting. They will be arriving sometime this afternoon. They will be part of this meeting, which is now at 7:30 p.m. The BJP Legislatures Party meeting, where they will be deciding on who's going to be the next Chief Minister of Karnataka. Let me cut across to Nolan Pinto for more on that. Nolan, the Legislatures Party meeting, which was scheduled at 5 p.m. has now been moved to 7:30 p.m. It will be held at Capitol Hotel. What's the reason for this time that's now deferred? Let me ask you also about the central observers who are coming down. What time are they arriving, and is it likely that they will announce the Chief Minister name this evening?
Well, Nabila, they are expected to arrive here by 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. You must remember they are actually flying in from Delhi, both Dharmendra Pradhan as well as G. Kishan Reddy. Now, they will be actually looking into this. Initially, it was thought that it might not take place today, but the BJP High Command as well as the state BJP has decided not to waste any more time. There is no one as of now. There's no chief minister. I'm talking about there's only a caretaker chief minister. The Council of Ministers has been dissolved. Administration, basically nothing is happening. The BJP does not want to waste any more time. We have seen how the opposition Congress over here has been questioning the BJP, saying what was the hurry for them to actually ask B.S. Yediyurappa to step down as of now, when there are so many issues facing the state, especially the flood issues in the northern parts of Karnataka. And those are one of the reasons why they do not want this to drag on. They will be arriving in the city around 4 o'clock, 4:30. Thereafter, the Legislative Party meeting will take place in the evening at 7:30. Before that, what we are also hearing from our sources is that they might have a separate meeting with B.S. Yediyurappa at the place where we are, that is at his official residence, Kaveri, before the Legislative Party meeting. So that's the last meeting before the LP, all-important LP with B.S. Yediyurappa, and then that will take place. And hopefully, and mostly, this is what our sources tell us, if they can actually reach a consensus, we might just know who is the next Chief Minister of Karnataka tonight itself.
Well, Nolan, this is going to be, in fact, a much awaited moment for the state of Karnataka, as the suspense is only building. The meeting, which was supposed to be held at 5 p.m., the BJP Legislatures Party meeting will now be moved to 7:30 p.m. Of course, while all that's said and done, you have several front runners who are currently lobbying hectically. You have Basavaraj Bommai, who is meeting with several MLAs and, trying to gain strength and show his might. We also have Murugesh Nirani, who's in Delhi and meeting with all the senior leaders, Arvind Bellad, several other leaders who are currently hoping that they be made the Chief Minister of Karnataka. This is possibly their only chance.